Freshmen, it's Mrs. Russell, and I am back for segment 2 to talk about your transcript and the importance of knowing what goes on your transcript. So essentially, a transcript is a continuous report card with your semester grades for every class you take in high school. So unlike junior high, when you get a report card for 7th grade, and then you move on to 8th grade, when you go to 8th grade, you get a new report card. But in high school, your report card is continuous. So your grades will be shown for every semester that you're in high school. So at the end of your 4 years, your transcript will show all of the classes that you've taken and all of the grades on a transcript. And the reason why I want to let you know how important this is because when you are planning your future for after high school, you will need to submit your transcript to any college that you are applying to so they can evaluate the classes that you've taken and the grades that you've earned. If you are planning on going into the military recruiter will want to evaluate your transcript. And sometimes if you're planning on going into the workforce right away, your employer will want to see a copy of your transcript to see what classes that you've taken, what kind of grades that you've gotten. And then other times students will enter the workforce, work for a few years, and then decide to go back to college a little bit later, where they will then have to submit their high school transcript to the college that they are applying to. So again, the reason why I want to talk to you about your transcript early is because I want you to be aware that the grades that you're earning now, even as a freshman, will affect you each year that you're in high school and even your plans for after high school. Also keep in mind that your counselor is here to help. So if your grades aren't where you want them to be right now, you can reach out to your counselor and we can come up with ways to help you to be more successful. On your transcript, it will also show how many credits that you earned in high school and what your grade point average is and your SAT score. So let me show you an example of what a sample transcript looks like so you have an idea of what your transcript will look like. You will have a transcript in January after we finish semester 1. So a 9th grader's transcript will show semester 1 classes that they have taken along with the grade. So each semester will be listed for 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. So looking at this transcript, this 9th grade student was enrolled in Honors English 1, earned an A for first semester, therefore earned a half a credit in the class. If a student receives an F for their semester grade, no credit is earned for that semester. So getting an F in a class not only makes the student have to repeat that requirement, but then also could make them short for graduation requirements. 23 credits is required to graduate Salem High School. Each student should have enough credits to graduate high school unless they fail classes. Then they could be short to graduate. As long as you're passing your classes, you do not have to worry about having enough credits to graduate. So as we look down here, all the classes are listed, like I said, and the grades are listed along with the credit earned. I just want to mention that each class is worth a half a credit per semester, except for driver's ed and behind the wheel. Those two classes are combined for a half a credit. Study hall is not worth any credit, but keep in mind you can take a study hall every single semester and still have enough credits to graduate as long as you pass your classes. So as we scroll down to the bottom, you will see how many credits this student earned at the end of their freshman year. Also listed is the student's grade point average. I will get into how to calculate grade point average in the next segment. And then on the very last page, the SAT score is listed on your transcript, which is a graduation requirement, along with passing the Illinois and U.S. Constitution test. And that concludes segment 1, and I will be back for more information tomorrow.